NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pennette pasta with ground beef. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2.5 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 pound of ground beef, 1.5 cups of pennette pasta. That pasta is just a shorter version of penne pasta. 1 medium onion diced, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 cups of chopped fresh spinach, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To a large preheated skillet, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Now you can add in your onions. You want that to saute for 3 minutes. You want your heat to be on medium. After 3 minutes, you can add in your minced garlic. Let that saute for 1 minute. Next, you can begin to add in your ground beef. You want to break it down, and you want to make sure it combines well with your onion and garlic. Now you can begin to add in your seasoning. Add in my ground black pepper, my garlic powder, onion powder, adobo all-purpose seasoning, and also the Italian seasoning. You can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined, and continue to cook it until it's browned all the way through. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you want to remove it from your pan and drain it of all excess grease. Once it's drained of all excess grease, you want to go ahead and add in your chicken broth. And also your heavy cream. You want your heat to be on medium-high, and we're going to bring it to a simmer. You can go ahead and give it a good stir. Once it's come to a simmer, you want to add in your pennette pasta. We're just going to give that a mix. Now you can add your lid over top, and you want to lower your heat to low, and you want to let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, and you want to stir occasionally. You want your pasta to be al dente. Once your pasta is al dente, you want to go ahead and add in your Parmesan cheese, and also your spinach. We're going to go ahead and give it a mix. The spinach adds nice color to it. And you can continue to let that cook for about a minute or so. After a minute, you can go ahead and turn off your heat, and your pasta is now done. Okay guys, so here we have it, our pennette pasta with ground beef and spinach. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?